Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on your Oculus account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaQuest Oculus app on your device. And if you haven't logged in already, proceed forward with your credentials and you will be taken into the feed page from which you can start browsing through the app. Now, if you wish to change the username that you have set while creating your account, then tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. From this page, tap on your profile icon or your username at the top section and then tap on the three dots at the right side. You will now see Edit Profile. Go ahead and tap on it and you will see both your display name as well as your username, which you can edit. You can edit your display name as many times as you want at your convenience. However, your username can only be changed once every 6 months. So if 6 months have already passed since you created your account, then you will be able to tap on your current username and edit this to whatever you wish. After typing in your desired username as well as your display name, you can also fill up the bio section if you wish, and then tap on the save button, which will change your username as well as your display name based on what you set it to. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on MetaQuest Oculus. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.